You know, we're just making some cool things. This is the largest drawer front that I have for our new miter saw station. And I thought, why not incorporate our slogan? Because we have the room for it. Mind you, when you're doing a V-carve, it doesn't matter how big your logo or slogan is, it just works. Electric V-carve Pro is just great software for CNC. It makes the experience extremely, what's the word? I don't know. Easy, extremely easy. Or easier, if you will. But right now she's just carving out the outline of our logo. And here she goes. Some cool stuff. Love the black MDF. Hard to find. My buddy Josh over at Black MDF, he's got the best black MDF in Toronto and the GTA. If you guys are in the Toronto area, GTA area, look up Black BLK MDF on Instagram. This product it's hard. This stuff here, I was given a sample to test from my supplier over at McFadden's, and this stuff, yeah, it's okay, but it's like a medium density fiberboard versus you come over to my workstation here. This is my ultimate workbench. This is Josh's stuff, and my table's taking a beating. And it's just, this is like a high density fiberboard versus this stuff that they sell over at McFadden's. So yeah, if you're in the market for black MDF, give Josh a call. Look him up on Instagram. And oh yeah, there's the first couple of letters of our logo. So cool. So I was saying, yeah, so look up Josh over at Black MDF on Instagram. This product is superior. You're going to pay probably a little bit more for it than what McFadden's is offering it for, but it's a much better product, this stuff. This stuff is just, it's high density. It's solid. Versus this stuff here where I don't know, it feels like MDF. So I made our the right side of our miter saw station, like it's not complete, but I embedded our logo into our drawer fronts and added some linseed oil on the black, and it really pops. It really pops really well. So this is just the right side of the bench of the station. Tomorrow we'll probably work on that, getting the miter saw set up. And then we have the left side of the station, and that's that drawer front where my finger right there that we're about to carve right now. I don't know if my phone up behind me. That's what we're carving right now for that big drawer front. That's going to be a drawer within a drawer, basically. So it's going to be pretty cool. And then the back wall, the cinder block wall, is going to be. I haven't decided what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something really cool. I'll probably do fluted wall. We'll see. The bank of cabinets above, and a charging station on this side right here for all our batteries. But yeah, so stay tuned. Oh, let's see see the progress on the logo. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so cool. That looks really cool. That's a 60-degree V-bit. anyone's wondering. So yeah, if you're in the Toronto area, in the GTA, what was this hit me? So yeah, there's the logo, Schemo Beauty. And now she's working on the slogan. If you're ever in the area, feel free to drop by, man. Give us a call for all your cabinetry needs and all your cabinet doors, drawer fronts, anything you need, buddy. Talk soon. Thanks, guys.